Oh, no, no, no. Fuck you. Hey everyone, the roads here suck here. Previously I just changed the rear brake pads in the car, and then I took the car out for like a loop-de-loop around the block to test that out. See, I didn't even drive a full mile since. It's still at 195,777, right? So, I changed the oil, right? And then I noticed the brakes started squeaking, right? So I changed the brakes, right? Now guess what happens? Left turn signal, right turn signal. Yep, we have to change the light bulb. Now, I've already turned on the hazard lights, and I've already walked around the car, and I've already seen which bulb is burnt out. I believe if you consult page 321 of the owner's manual, it should be under like maintenance and then replacement bulbs, something like that. You'll have a list of all of the bulbs in the car that you can replace and what numbers they are, I guess. And in my particular case, the rear stop lamp / turn signal lamp / lamp or whatever, night lamp, tail lamp, that is a 3057 bulb. So, of course, you can only buy them in sets of 2, and it's a good idea to replace both anyways. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to take out and change the bulbs. And I'm sorry for talking weird, I'm just tired as hell at this point. So I'll show you guys how to do one, and the other one will be the exact same thing. So, let's get to work. Okay, so again, quick note, I didn't talk much in this video because I'm in a rush, sort of, to just get my car all safe, I guess, before I have to go to work for the next day. So, just a quick note though, this is the second time that I'm replacing the rear light bulbs. Meanwhile, I'm on the same front light bulbs this entire time. So maybe there's a difference between brand or type of light bulb or something. But this time I decided to wear gloves. Because I've been told that oil from your fingers on the light bulb can potentially damage them. So I figured it was worth trying with gloves this time to see if that would make a difference. But other than that, that's how you change a rear light bulb in a Chrysler 300. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, have fun, subscribe, like, and subscribe. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye.